guys, thanks for watching. Today we're making a magnetic wooden poster frame. These would make great gifts, are simple to make, and don't break the bank. The supplies you'll need to make this are 8 wooden paint stirrers, which you can get at Home Depot in packs of 3 for less than $2, scissors, craft glue, a glue gun, 3/4 inch ceramic magnets, twine, and paper tape. Additionally, you'll need a power drill and a 3/4 Forstner Bit and a hand saw. Start by measuring how long you want your frame to be. I made mine about 16 inches. Saw off the ends of the paint sticks so they're all the same length. Now, use your 3/4 Forstner bit to make evenly spaced holes in the paint stick. I did 3 holes, but if I made this again, I might do 4 to 5 just to make it extra strong. Drill holes only in 4 of your 8 sticks. Now take one of your sticks with holes and one without. We'll be gluing them together. If your sticks have anything printed on them, as mine do, glue the printed sides together. I used E6000 glue, but a glue gun would work well too. Be sure when you glue the 2 pieces together that the sides line up and it's even all the way around. Clean off any excess glue that might have been squeezed out of the sides. Repeat this step for the remaining pieces you have, and you should end up with 4 glued pieces. Now take your magnets and figure out which sides will stick together. Remember, opposites attract. I marked my magnets with a metallic Sharpie. I used plus and minus signs to indicate which sides of the magnet should be glued down. I did it by sticking them together and marking the sides that stuck together with opposite signs. I'll show you more detail now. If I try to stick 2 negative sides together, they repel each other. But when I put a positive side to a negative side, they are attracted to each other. You'll want to make sure you're gluing the magnets so they can stick together, so pay attention to those marks you made. My magnets were slightly thinner than my wood, so I gave them a little boost with hot glue so they'd be flush with the top of my wood. And notice I have all positive in the bottom stick, and I'm putting all negative side magnets in the top stick. This way they'll stick together through the print. Once all your magnets are glued in, take your paper tape or washi tape and cover the magnets. This will prevent the magnets from leaving marks on your posters or photos. My tape was a little big, so I trimmed it down. It's a little messy looking, but no one's going to see it when the frame is hanging. The last step is to add your twine. Measure how long you want your twine to be and tie it together in a circle. The twine is going to be glued to one of the pieces of your frame. I glued mine all the way around the piece, except for the top. Once your string is in place, your frame is complete. Add your favorite print or a poster and put it on display, or give it away to a loved one. I especially like how easy it would be to customize these with paint, tape, or a wood burner. Let us know in the comments below how your frame turned out. You can find this and other crafts at our website, 3 Winks Design, or check out our YouTube channel, 3 Winks Design, for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you liked us, please consider subscribing. Okay, bye!